everyone, Dave from Big Bear Tools in Vancouver. We are the Canadian distributor for Lowe's pruning tools. We've reviewed the hand shears, and now these are the Loppers. We're dealing in 3 different sizes, the 25-inch, the 32-inch, and the 39-inch. So the 39-inch are extremely long, but the middle size here, the 21080 bypass lopper, is one of the favorites. So we'll show you that today. Nice tubular aluminum and just well made, really strong, all parts replaceable, fantastic lopper. You can see absolutely effortless. That's about 3/4 of an inch there, vine maple. Nice job, no problem with that. That is your bypass Lowe's 21.080, and we also have the same length, which is just about 32 inches, in Lowe's famous Anvil style. Now this is a really nice one, pretty much the same specs except for the head. This is an anvil, comes right down onto an anvil. See that? And this is a real good cutter. Absolutely effortless. Right down to the bottom. Let's just take this guy right out. There he goes. So this is the Lowe bypass lopper, the 21.080. As you can see, the blades pass by. Bypass. We're all familiar with these. Nice cuts. This is vine maple. And then here is the 22.080, the anvil. So it's coming straight down onto an anvil. Now Lowe's invented the anvil pruners way back in the 30s in Germany, and they're the expert makers of them. Fantastic design. There's a completely new design here. You can see the effectiveness of it. And you can see what a nice cut that makes. So your Lowe's 22.080 anvil lopper and your Lowe's 21.080 bypass lopper. We're Big Bear Tools in Vancouver. Please support our dealers across the country. There's many. Have a look at lowprunerscanada.com, lowprunerscanada.com, or bigbeartools.com. Thank you.